going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So we have a few things. I sold 2 stocks for MSTY. They're actually pretty good regional banks. I'm going to go over how many I sold or how many shares I sold, what companies I sold. I'm going to review them first, show you there's a lot of pros to them, but again, I have a goal to earn a lot of passive income. I could rebuy them in the future. That's not a problem. Sold them for a profit. And actually, there was a pretty good return. I'm not tax loss harvesting, but time to build up MSTY. So I won a lot of shares of MSTY. I won a lot of shares of CL1Y. I won a lot of shares of TSLY. I won a lot of shares of YMAX, YBIT, which I'm adding. So I have a goal. Again, I want to make more in passive income than I did working as an exercise specialist slash physiologist from 2009 to 2012. And I'm going to show you what stocks I sold. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check out these dividend stocks right now. And honestly, I don't have anything bad to say about Regions Financial Corp. That's probably one I may rebuy. It's not doing too well against the S&P 500. It's taking a while. I sold it for a profit. It's a high yield, 4.19%. A PE ratio is 13.48. The average volume is 7.90 million. The market cap is 21.69 billion US dollars. Its year range is 1742 to 2763. Day range is 2346 to 2387. Previous close is 2385. So I'm going to show you the pros to them. I'm on macrotrends.net. And again, there was a pretty good rebound revenue wise from 2017 and then the pandemic to 2023. So with regional banks, usually my philosophy is if I see good revenue increase, that's a good thing. So that increased my interest in them. So revenue wise, annual in millions US dollars, 2017, 5,949, 2018, 6,356, 2019, 6,712, 2020, 6,655, 2021, 6,605, 2022, 7,531, 2023, 9,153. So that is an increase in revenue. That is attractive. Let's check out its dividend history. And look, I'll start in 2013. So 1 cent, 3 cent, you got a quarterly dividend, 2014, 5 cents, 2015, 6 cents, 2017, 7 cents, 2018, 9 cents, 14 cents, 2020, 16 cents, 2021, 17 cents, 2022, 20 cents, 2023, 24 cents, 2025, 25 cents. And its payout ratio is 49% for a regional bank. That's still not too bad. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 4. The dividend growth in 5 years is 13.05%. You bought one share, you made a dollar with a 4.19% dividend yield. So again, the dividend growth in 5 years, 13.05%. I really have nothing negative to say other than maybe a little bit of a high payout ratio, but big deal. They seem pretty good with their dividend growth. I'm going to jump to the next dividend stock. This one is a high yield dividend stock. It's pretty attractive as well. Premier Financial Corp in Ohio. PFC is a symbol. Dividend yield is 5.00. The PE ratio is 12.59. The average volume is 145.11K. Market cap is 888.15 million US dollars. Its year range is 1864 to 2913. Day range is 2454 to 2491. Previous close is 2494. So when it comes to regional banks and big time banks, size is important. The number of banks they have usually attracts me to buying them. Okay. In my opinion, again, this is not financial advice. They're a little bit smaller, but they do have some irks or oofs that you got to watch out for This is why I sold them. I think it was a good time for me to sell them. For the most recent quarterly financial, the revenue was down 7.48%. Net income at 16.66 million, that was down 32.49%. The diluted earnings per share was down 33.3%. Net profit margin was 26.43%. That was down 27.03%. The operating income is 26.04 million. It was down 19.96%. This was a very aggressive. They have 73 branches, 9 loan offices in Ohio. Okay, that's one thing that's good, but and their subsidiaries are not bad. But let me just go over a few things as well, revenue wise, dividend history wise. But it was good time to sell. I had a profit. It was just a good time to get rid of them. Let me show you the revenue trends overall. They got some pretty good numbers, and the things were down just quarterly, but look at these revenue trends from the get-go. Now I went on, I briefly just discuss some things, but kind of big, and their revenue's pretty big too. So annually in millions US dollars, 148, that was in 2017, 2018, 163, 2019, 186, 2023, 17, 2021, 322, 2022, 339, 2023, 456. So that is a significant increase in revenue. Now let's jump to dividend history. So a few things I want to go over. The dividend, okay? The dividend trends. 2020, 22 cents, 2021, 24, 26, 27, 28, 2022, 30 cents, 2023, 31 cents. So it's a little stagnant, okay? A little bit of a high payout ratio. The number of dividend increases 5 years is 6. The dividend growth in 5 years, 8.73%. You bought one share, you made 124 with a 4.97% dividend yield. So I tell you guys, you shouldn't be buying what I'm buying. I'm just very transparent with my dividend investing journey. So I show you what I buy, what I sell. That's why I'm like, shouldn't really replicate what I do, because I can make a split decision with a stock that I've owned in the past and throw it into another stock, or vice versa. So again, this is why I tell you, don't do what I do. Not financial advice, for entertainment purposes only. So let's jump to how much I'm going to be putting in MSTY and NVDY. So unfortunately, I couldn't show you how many shares and how much gain I had, because it's not going to show on M1 Finance. So I'm hoping right around 3 o'clock, I will be selling 2,153.07, 2,095 with Regions Financial Corp. That'll be thrown into MSTY and a little bit of NVDY. So again, I want to load up on these. Gosh, I had like a brain freeze. I want to load up on these Yieldmax ETFs. They're two of my favorite Yieldmax ETFs. I want to use that income to buy dividend growth stocks. So the opportunity, something just fell in the background in the sink, but I want to give you the opportunity to see what I'm doing, and I'm very transparent. Risky, so, but I wanted to show you how much I threw in MSTY today, what I sold. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss videos. I will have a video for you tomorrow. Take care and have a good one. Now I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use my YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. It's strictly for entertainment purposes only. Investing is a big risk. You can gain money, you can lose money. So be aware and do your due diligence. You want to get financial advice, go to a financial advisor. You want to get tax advice, go to a tax advice or a tax advisor. So again, everything's very transparent with my buys. It's for entertainment purposes only. Not buy what I buy. You should not do what I do. Okay? I'm just being very transparent what I'm doing, my dividend investing journey. Take care and have a good one. And don't forget, you have to, I'm going to say this one more time. Investing is a risk. You lose money. Look, I'm down 699.44, $699, almost $700. So fluctuates with MSTY. You have to be aware of that when you buy anything. Things can lose a lot of money. Risk could be there. I'm 39, single, no kids, student loan debt free, car debt free. So there you go. Take care and have a great dividend warrior.